Inch by inch, row by row, gonna make this garden grow. Gonna mulch it deep and low, gonna make it fertile ground. Inch by inch.
Good morning, Emmy Garden friends. This is Miss Carolyn coming at you from the garden with another episode of Garden Care and Maintenance. And today is a very special day, which is why I am smiling so much, because today we are going to harvest our very first harvest from this garden ever. So that makes it extra special. Now I'm going to show you the things that we need to harvest our spinach this morning, and then we'll show you what that looks like. Okay, so here we have our lovely spinach that's been growing for approximately 3 weeks now, about 21 days. And as you can see, some of the leaves are quite big. Like this one's almost as big as the palm of my hand. And this is about when you want to harvest spinach leaves, because if they get too big, they start to get a little bitter. But right now they are sweet and tender and delicious. So we are going to harvest some of the bigger leaves. And as you can see, some of the leaves are really big, like these are really big. And these little ones in here are just starting to come up. So when we cut off the big leaves, that gives room for the little leaves to get bigger. So we harvest, and then those leaves grow, and we harvest those, and those leaves grow, and we harvest those, and that's how it goes. So over here, we have the tools we're going to need to harvest. Here we have a container that I'm going to put the spinach in once we have harvested it, and a scissors to cut the leaves off, and then also a pair of gloves to wear, because when you are harvesting, especially if people other than you are going to eat the spinach or the whatever it is you're harvesting, you want to make sure that it is clean, so you don't want to be touching it with your hands. So here we go. I have my scissors right here, and we're just going to go down right in close to the bottom and see where that stem is. I'm just going to snip that off, and then you take this piece, you put it in the bin, and then you go and find some other ones, you snip those. Oh friends, I really wish you were here to do this job with me. It is so fun and very rewarding, because you do all this work and then you get to harvest the food and eat it, which is the best thing about gardening. All right, just cut a few more pieces here to show you how this goes. And then we will show you what the end result looks like. Okay friends, here we are back with our harvest, and as you can see, there's so much spinach there that I almost needed a bigger container because there was so much spinach to be harvested. So it's beautiful, tender, green, very tasty, sweet spinach. So the next step now is to take it and wash it. We don't have a sink right now in the garden, but we will eventually. And you need to wash the spinach and dry it. And then you can put it in a plastic bag and keep it in your refrigerator for some days before you make it into a salad or mix it in with your scrambled eggs. Or there's many different things you can do with spinach. Put it in all kinds of casseroles to make them even tastier. All right, that is our first harvest here at the Mukilteo Elementary School garden. And this is the end of this video on care and maintenance. If you ask me, this is kind of the best part of maintenance in a garden. Okay, until next time, we'll see you soon.
Inch by inch.